Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually lock a particular channel on your advanced S2 decoder. Alright, that's the quality combo decoder. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on the remote, which will take you to the menu, and here you look for channel edit. Alright, so we have different options over here. You have the TV channel and the radio channel. So you need to select the particular group of channels whereby you want to lock one. Maybe it's an adult channel and you don't want your kids to actually get access to it. So we get to the TV channel menu here, and here for you to get the menu whereby you can lock a particular channel that you want, you need to tap on the number 4 button on your remote. So 4 button, number 4, and now it's requesting for the default password of your decoder. Every decoder have a default password which have to be 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, and you proceed. So with the quality combo decoder you need to tap in 4 zeros. So after tapping in 4 zeros and it doesn't work, you need to call upon the last installer that will work on your decoder. Alright, so here the next thing is to actually highlight the particular channel that you wanna lock it. Okay, so you press OK on it and you select it exactly like this. So to actually proceed with locking this particular channels, all you got to do is to press exit on the remote. Alright, and here you have an option either to cancel whatever you are doing or to proceed with it and then lock those channels. So you press OK to lock it. Alright, so that's it. Alright, so here if you need to watch it, you have to add the default code or the password before you can get access to watch. Alright, and if you want to change the default code, maybe the code is too simple for someone to actually unlock it, all you got to do is to come to the system settings menu once again, and you come to the lock control, and you come to the change password. You press OK on it and you add the old password, which is the 4 zeros, then you add in your new password as well. Alright, so if you find this video helpful and you're new, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.